there and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, I am Tomi from Writer.ng, where we turn your ideas into powerful words that get results. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. So let's talk about the truth about AI writing and why you should still hire human. So AI writing is everywhere now. Yes, tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai are popping up like mushrooms after rain. Okay, so they are great, they are fast, convenient, and sometimes even shockingly good. But here is the real question: should you still hire human writer in 2025? Let me break it down. Okay, so the first point is AI lack context and emotion. AI can write, but it can't think like your audience, and it doesn't truly understand your brand voice. So a human writer brings empathy, storytelling, and nuance, especially important in niches like health, law, real estate, or finance. The next point is original strategy beats generic output. Yes, original strategy beats generic output. AI pulls from what is already online, but that is not enough when you need to stand out. So at Writers.ng, we don't just write, we strategize. You understand your goals, your audience, and your competitors. Then we write content that leads in your industry and not just follow. So the next point is accuracy and accountability matters. Accuracy and accountability matters. AI can confidently write wrong information. And guess who is responsible when that happens? You. You will be held responsible. So human writer verify facts, cite sources, and bring expertise that is trusted. So when it comes to business, trust is everything. So the next point is SEO with intention. AI can throw keywords in. Sure, AI can throw keywords in, but a skilled writer builds SEO rich content with real value. Google algorithm is getting smarter and it rewards useful human first content, and that is exactly what we deliver at Writers.ng. Yes, that is what we deliver. We deliver useful human first content. So should you hire a human? Yes, if you want content that converts, and yes, if you care about brand reputation, and yes, if you want to win in 2025 and beyond. So at Writers.ng, we combine the best human creativity with smart tools so that you can get quality plus efficiency every single time. So are you ready to level up? Then visit www.writers.ng or shoot us a message. We are happy to help. Like this video if you learned something and subscribe for more writing tips, and let us know in the comments, have you tried AI writing and what was your experience? Thanks for watching, and remember, words matter and use them wisely. See you in the next video. Bye.